Rhubarb with lemongrass and strawberry ganache. One of the delicious thing you can do it in the summer. Really beautiful taste, aroma, different texture, and most of all, a lot of vitamins to your body. Rhubarb ganache with lemongrass and strawberry. If you doesn't know, this is a rhubarb plant. The leaf of rhubarb is poisoning. We take only this part of the planet. So we take the root and we throw the leaves. The leaves, if you eat it, it makes you like drug. So we use only the root of rhubarb. Let's start by spraying light green spray 100 gram cacao butter for a 10 gram green color, releasable color of the chocolate, and then we cover it with red color. We make mark, as you see, when you spray green, we make mark with toothpicks or any plastic stick. You can choose, because you see in the rhubarb there is red line, and then we spray red color 100 gram red color, 10 gram 100 gram cocoa butter, 100 gram 10 gram of color red, 1 lemongrass, 200 gram of rhubarb root. This how we do it. Most important, how we cook all this vegetable and fruit. Lemongrass 1 piece, 200 gram rhubarb, 1 lime juice. We bring it all of this to boil with really medium heat. The idea is we added fresh cream, 50 gram fresh cream and 50 gram strawberry. We reduce the heat to the medium so it goes slowly. The vegetable have to absorb 30 gram of glucose. You can replace it with thermoline if you want. It takes almost 10 to 12 minutes. 1 gram sorbitol, and all the ingredients I leave it in the description box below. I keep it 10 to 12 minutes in medium heat so I can take all the flavor and aroma. Then with hand blender, I emulsify all as much as I can. In this jar, I have 450 white chocolate. Then I strain the whole juice, because you know lemongrass have bitter pieces, so we cannot eat it. I strain all the juice, as you see, on top of the chocolate. And then we blend it very well, and when it becomes 30-degree temperature, I will add 40 gram butter. So the recipe to the people: 200 gram rhubarb, 1 lemongrass, 1 lemon juice, 50 gram strawberry, 50 gram fresh cream, 30 gram glucose, 1 gram sorbitol. We boil it and strain on top of 450 gram white chocolate, and when it becomes 30 degree, I added 40 gram butter. As you know, I spray all mold 1 day before, and also I make ganache 1 day before. As you see, green, after that red color. Then I tempering white chocolate. I fill all my mold. I prefer when I use white chocolate 29 degree. This is the best temperature to use white chocolate. I shake the mold, I take all the bubbles, I leave it 50 to 60 seconds in the mold in room temperature, then I have the perfect shell. So make sure when you work in chocolate, you have 18 to 22 air conditioning. As you see the light red color, I will leave it to crystallization. When it's crystallization, I fill my mold with ganache. When I fill my mold with ganache, I keep it in the fridge 15 to 20 minutes. And then I have this beautiful chocolate rhubarb color. Let me know your opinion in the chocolate, which recipe you want. I will start to do a lot of chocolate video. If this first time to watch me, please make like, and you can see a lot of mousse, chocolate, how to make sorbet, chocolate garnish, and how to make also all kind of dyed bread.